Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity are your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is one step at a time. No matter what I do, I'm the lamp unto my feet, the light unto my path. By taking one step at a time, I do not fall in any ditches by worrying about the mountain and the obstacles ahead. As soon as I get there, I will make sure that I pass the test and I will stand up strong. But at this moment, if it takes one day at a time, 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 second at a time, make sure you continue to take one small step at a time towards your goal. And no matter what, in a matter of time, because time is going to pass no matter what, you're going to pick your eyes up, your head up, and you're going to be over the mountain and further and in your promised land. I see the mountain ahead, and I'll dedicate to taking one step at a time for myself. I make progress by staying focused in the present moment, the current task. Thus, I regain the ease of living and I move forward. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.